Hello, welcome to class 18 summary and review. As you can see in this class, we went over weather and temperature. All right, so we went over two questions and we practiced listening and responding to them in Numu. First is, how's the weather outside? Second was, how does it feel outside? So again, in summary and review, the question for how's the weather outside is, how rabuapuni hunagwat? How dabuapuni hunagwat? How dabuapuni hunagwat? So that first word, how, is an interrogative question marker. It indicates that you're asking a question that can have different meanings depending on what kind of question you're asking. All right. Next, that word dabuapuni. The root is dabua, dabua, which actually means to appear, or refers to the appearance of something. In a previous class that we had, we learned that bottom question, how dabuar, which means what color is it? So in that question, in that sense, it had that sense of color, what the appearance is of something. But in this case, when we're talking about the weather, it refers to basically the appearance outside. What does it look like? That's kind of like really what this question is asking, but it refers to the weather. So that next suffix, puni, indicates the state of being. So it's like saying, what is the state of appearance outside? And that final word, hunagwat, just simply means outside. So how rabuapuni hunagwat? Again, how does it look outside? Kind of technically, literally, but it kind of refers to how is the weather outside. And in this case, notice outside the window, it's nice and sunny. So a way you can say that is hunagwat bijara birua. Hunagwat bijara birua. Again, we have hunagwat outside, and bijara birua means nice and sunny. Okay, or you can also just say what he has at the bottom of the screen. Bijara birua. Bijara birua just means nice and sunny. If it's cloudy, you can say kumiapuni, kumiapuni. Again, you can also add hunagwat in front. Outside, it is cloudy. Hunagwat kumiapuni. If it, oh wait, I'm sorry. Let me go back to this part. Kumia means cloud, okay? Cloud. And again, we already learned that puni suffix, so it's referring to the state of being cloudy, or just simply cloudy. If it's partially cloudy, see, now you got sun, you got a little couple clouds out there, you can say sawatni kumiapani. Sawatni kumiapani. That first word, sawatni, sawatni, refers to just partial, a small amount of something, so just partially cloudy. Another way you can refer to the clouds having just arrived, they've just come, is kumiapituhu, kumiapituhu. Clouds have just arrived. That's what that means. So we already know kumia means cloud. Well, that second middle prefix pite refers to the arrival of something. And that final suffix hu means it kind of just happened right now. All right. So we learned it means, or this word means tomo na panu, or this trend. The answer is tomo na panu. This means that the storm clouds are forming. Tomo na panu. Tomo can refer to winter, can refer to a year, but it also can refer to stormy weather. Tomo na panu. You got that first word na, or na means to grow. Na to grow, and we know the state of being suffix puni, and this final suffix u, it's kind of like also can mean it just happened. So altogether, na panu means that it's in a state of growing. Okay, so storm clouds are growing, or they're forming. All right, something we actually didn't learn in class was windy. If you want to say it's very, very windy, you can say ene hugwawin. Ene hugwawin. Ene means very, or a lot. Ene. Hugwa means wind or blow. Hugwa, hugwa. And that final suffix wun, it refers to it's continually happening. It's continuing on. So it's windy. It's very windy. How does it look outside? In this case, notice there are little sprinkles. Maybe you can't really tell if you're looking on a small device, but there's little sprinkles. So it's not really raining yet. It's just sprinkling. So sprinkle is Pazumigyawan. Pazumigyawan. Okay. Hunagwat. Pazumigyawan. Outside it is sprinkling. So that first part, Pazumigya. Pazumigya means sprinkle. Pazumigya. And we already learned wun means continuing. So pazumigyawan. It's like the ing suffix in English. Wun, ing. Pazumigyawan. Outside it is sprinkling. If it is actually raining, now you can see there's a lot of rain. It's baomawan. Baomawan. Again, you can say hunagwat baomawan. Outside it is raining. Or just say baomawan by itself. So baoma is rain, baoma. And wuna, again, is like the ing suffix, so raining, baomawun. Lightning is dugukwitsiwa. We also didn't cover this in class, but I'm adding it in here now. Dugukwitsiwa, dugukwitsiwa, lightning. Dugukwitsiwun would be, it is lightning outside, it's happening right now. Dugukwitsiwun, it is lightning. Ing. Dugukwitsiwun. Thunder, the word for thunder is nunuaba. Nunuaba. Thunder. Nunuaba. Drop off that BA ending and add wun to get it's thundering. Nunuawun. Nunuawun. It's thundering. Put them together, you might say nunuawun na tugukwitsiwun. Means it's thundering and lightning. Hunagwat, outside. Nunuawun na tugukwitsiwun. It's thundering and lightning. All right, hail. Hailing is hagwodegwawun. 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 Snowing. Dugwawun. 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 All right, to ask how does it feel outside? How does it feel outside? Hayu num hunagwat. Hayu num hunagwat. Hayu is another interrogative question, asking a question. Num refers to the feeling, how something feels. And again, hunagwat, outside. In this case, notice that high temperature. It's really sunny and there's a high temperature. So here's 3 different ways you can say hot. Urut, urut. Second, urutuwan, urutuwan. And third, na urut, na urut. And yeah, these might have, slight different semantic differences, but altogether, those are just, you can use those, either one, to say it's hot. If it's very hot, you can add in front of it. It's very hot. But if the temperature is a little lower, it's just warm, you can say yuipuninum. Yuipuninum. Yui means warm, okay? Yuipuninum. It's a state of feeling warm outside. Now, if there's kind of a nice cool breeze, it feels nice outside, just cool, you can say hutsapwipuni. Hutsapwipuni. Okay? Hutsapwi. Hutsapwi means cool, or can refer to a breeze, and again, puni, the state of being. So hutsapwipuni, it's cool. If it's cold now, you can say udzutsupunni num. Udzutsupunni num. It feels cold. Hunagwat. Udzutsu. Udzutsu is cold. Udzutsu. Udzutsupunni, a state of being cold, and num, feels. So udzutsupunni num, feels cold. Now, if it feels dangerous outside, say like there's a lot of hail or storms going on, to say it feels dangerous outside, one way to say is naduya numapuni. Naduya numapuni. It feels dangerous. That word naduya means dangerous. It feels danger. So that is all the ones that we learned in this class. I hope you all practice and practice and practice. So until next time, mubunirwa. See you all later.